Hi people, welcome back to my channel. I'm your fitness coach Sudhi. If you ask me to name one exercise that will help you to lose your weight faster, my answer would be burpees. Yes, burpee is a total body exercise that will help you burn more calories in a short duration of time. It is definitely a hard exercise, but in this video we will understand how to perform them at a beginner, intermediate and advanced levels. Are you ready? Come on, let's get started. We will first learn how to do burpees at a beginner level. Stand with your feet close together. Now raise your arms high, squat, place your palms on the mat, get into full plank. Now get back to squatting position. This completes one repetition. Repeat the movement. Keep your intensity moderate to high by doing these movements as quickly as you can. Notice that we are utilizing both our upper and lower body. This in turn will build strength and also improves our stamina to a great extent. Research says that burpees burn more body fat than other conventional exercises. If you are a beginner, perform burpees for 10 to 12 repetitions for 4 sets. Take 30 seconds break after each set. As you gradually build your stamina, you can increase the number of repetitions and also the exercise sets. We are now done with our first exercise set. If you want, you can utilize your rest period in between the exercise set to strengthen your core. A single-legged plank is a wonderful exercise to add to this routine. We will now learn how to do intermediate or level 2 burpees. Stand with your feet close together. Now jump high, squat, get into full plank and return to the starting position. This completes one repetition. The higher you jump, more intense the exercise becomes. Remember to perform burpees in quick successions. Don't round your back in the plank position. Keep it straight to avoid back injuries. Do 10 to 12 repetitions per set. Perform 4 sets totally. Take 30 seconds break after each set. As you build stamina, you can increase the number of repetitions and gradually the number of exercise sets. We are done with our exercise set now. Try to do side plank to strengthen your core during the rest period between the sets. The side plank exercise will also help to strengthen your obliques. Remember to do this exercise on both sides of the body, right and left. This is the full version of burpees. You jump high, jump back and jump through to complete one repetition. Attempt this only when you're proficient with the previous levels of burpees. It is very important to perform burpees with a correct technique, otherwise you might incur injuries. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions per set. Do 4 sets. Gradually increase the number of repetitions and exercise sets after few weeks. After completing our exercise set, we can add an isometric abs contraction. Lie down on the mat. Take your arms behind the head. Now lift the shoulder blades off the mat. Keep your legs extended. Feel the contraction in your abdomen. Hold this for few seconds. You can do this exercise during the rest period between the sets. Keep breathing and do not hold your breath. This is the advanced level of burpees. It should only be done after you have mastered the previous levels. It requires a good body conditioning to execute the exercise safely. Notice that there is a tucked jump and a push-up element in the bottom. After completing an exercise set, you can try to do isometric toe touches to strengthen your abdominals. With this, we conclude the tutorial of burpees and its variations. Ensure to warm up your body before exercise and perform stretches after the exercise. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.